As we already know, Flutter allows us to build apps on multiple platforms. So today we are going to build a responsive Flutter app containing the mobile and web version of WhatsApp. Hello everyone and welcome to Flutterflex. For building web app in Flutter, you need to enable web support by switching your Flutter channel to beta and upgrading it. Finally, enable Flutter config by running this command. Before running your Flutter app, you can check the available devices by running the Flutter devices command. Finally, you can run your web app in Chrome by running the command flutter run -d Chrome. I have already enabled Flutter Web in my project, so let's begin with creating the UI. I'll begin by creating the My App widget. We'll return a Material App widget and let's get rid of the debug banner by setting it to false. We are creating a dark mode version of WhatsApp, so let's define a dark theme object and customize the icon theme data so that all the icons have a light white color. Inside the body of My App widget, I'll return a wrapper which will return the mobile or web version of WhatsApp according to the screen size. Inside the build method of our wrapper widget, we'll use media query to get the screen width. I'm using 3 breakpoints for small, medium and large devices. So here, if the device is small, we'll return WhatsApp mobile, else WhatsApp web. In WhatsApp web, I'm using a boolean value is medium to customize the UI for medium and large devices. Let's quickly create the web version of WhatsApp first by creating a widget called WhatsApp web, which will take in a boolean argument is medium with default value set to false. We'll divide our UI into two sections, the left widget and the right widget. The left widget consists of the chat list and the right widget will be details of a particular chat. In our chat list widget, we'll set the flex property based on the boolean value is medium. We'll then create a card, remove the default margin and set it to the WhatsApp's dark color. Finally, we'll add a thin white border. Our chat list consists of multiple widgets placed vertically, so we'll use column widget. First we have to create an app bar consisting of the profile image and a bunch of icon buttons. We'll use row widget and place circle avatar for the profile image, and to separate the icon buttons from the profile picture, we'll place a spacer widget in between followed by rest of the icons. The second section is our search bar with rounded corners. So we'll use a container with box decoration and place a row as a child with the search icon and the text form field. We'll also set the hint text, hint style and the content padding. Our last section is all the list of chats which we can build using listview.builder. I'm setting a hard-coded value of item count to 25, which will create 25 items inside the list view. I'll return a list style as it contains multiple properties like leading, title, subtitle and trailing, which will easily allow us to create the individual chat items. The leading property will be set to a circle avatar, title property to the username, subtitle to any random message and trailing to the timestamp of the chat. Notice that I have used the overflow property in text so that if the text widget resizes, then the overflow text will automatically be shown as ellipses. Finally, I'll be adding the onTap property which will make the list style clickable and will give us a nice ripple effect. Next, we'll create the right side of the widget, which is the expanded chat containing chat details. Here we have three sections, the chat app bar, body and the bottom bar. It can be created easily using a card and a row widget with circle avatar as the profile picture and other icons separated by a spacer widget. For the chat messages, right now we'll simply display a text at the exact center of our container widget. The last section will be the bottom chat bar. with icons like attachment, recorder, and emoji, and a text form field to enter the message. Now our web version is complete, so let's quickly finish the mobile version. The mobile version consists of 4 tabs: camera, chat, calls, and status. We'll use default tab controller and set the initial index to 1. I have a business account in WhatsApp, so I'll set the app bar's title to WhatsApp Business. At the bottom, we'll set the tab bar containing of all the tabs. In the body, we'll create 4 widgets for each tab. For now, I'm just placing a text widget inside a center widget. To finish the mobile app, we'll create a floating action button for chat consisting of the message icon. For running your app in Chrome, use the command flutter run -t Chrome. It will take a few seconds to launch our app. So this is our WhatsApp web, which is looking really cool. By the way, you can find the complete code in the link given in the description. Let us resize the browser to view the mobile version of WhatsApp, and this also looks really good. Let me know in the comments what you think, and consider subscribing as it really helps out the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.